29 activists who had been arrested for protecting the Aarey forest have been released last night while the activists walked free. The special bench of the Supreme Court will hear the matter today against the cutting down of trees in Aarey colony to become city's metro rail project. Now, the two-judge bench of Justice Arun Mishra and Ashok Bhushan has been constituted after a group of law students wrote to Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi seeking an urgent intervention in this matter. Let's go across to Purva Chitnis now, joining us from Mumbai. Purva, we just spoke with the petitioners a little while ago, and they are saying that their petition before the court is twofold. One, they are saying the manner in which the cutting down took place was illegal. Second one is about, again, confirming and trying to reimpose the fact that Aarey should be called a forest and thus no construction allowed in that place. At the moment, what is the situation on the ground? I wanted to understand from you, does the cutting of tree continue as we speak?
Well, Sonal, in fact, what we know, the latest on this is that Section 144, which was imposed on Saturday, has been lifted. It has been withdrawn now. For the past 48 hours, there was Section 144 in the area, and no person was allowed to enter. Even there are like 27 Adivasi paras there. Even they were asked to show their identities before entering their own houses. So that 144 section has been withdrawn. Also, all the 29 people who have been arrested on Saturday, they all were released yesterday midnight around 12:30. In fact, on a Sunday afternoon, there was a bail petition in the holiday court, and the court granted them bail and they all were released. So today's day is also very important because, as you were also mentioning and the petitioners were saying, that the tree cutting which happened on Friday after the Bombay High Court judgment, the environmentalists have been claiming that this has been not done in a proper manner. In fact, at night, the authorities went and started cutting trees, and that's when the people all across Mumbai gathered and started protesting. So this will be an important day even in Supreme Court, because Bombay High Court has, in fact, did not give any judgment on whether Aarey is a forest or not. But that petition again will be now heard in the special bench of Supreme Court. Yes, it is an important
Purva,
day,
when you say Section 144 has been lifted,
for them,
so that essentially means that either the cutting has stopped or it's over, right? Now anybody can go inside the Aarey colony and see for themselves what's happening there.
Well, even earlier when people were protesting, there were barricades at the metro car shed area. So that is the area which the authorities did not let anyone go in without any permission. So what we know as of the tree cutting, the trees have been cut around in numbers of 1,200 and above. In fact, since Friday the tree cutting started, and although the exact figure is not known, but what we can surely say, it is more than 1,200. So till Sunday afternoon the tree cutting was on, and now that the Supreme Court is now again hearing this matter today. So at the moment what we know is that although the metro car shed area is blocked, the entry and exit points to Aarey are not blocked as they were over the weekend.